I just want to show you how easy it is to create a couples ornament. To create the couples ornament, you just go into customizable ornaments on our website, which is allandesignfactory.com. You click on the family up to 12 members ornament. When that loads up now, you can just scroll down until you get the selection of the number of people on the ornament. Family up to 12, we want to change that to 2. Family of 2. So now you have 2 characters. Right now it shows 2 ladies. You can leave it as 2 ladies, or you can change one of those to a man. Up to yourself. Right now we're going to make the first person a man, and his name is going to be Jerry. So we're just going to change Jerry's sweater to a more manly looking sweater. There you go. Little slouchy green sweater. And we'll put some hair on Jerry. Jerry's an older guy, so we're going to give him a little bit of a bald spot and a little bit of gray hair. We don't want no wings because Jerry's still with us. Okay, our second person's name is going to be Mary Ann. Scroll down now, you can change Mary Ann's sweater. It's quite a nice selection of different sweaters there. So we're going to give Mary Ann a nice big bun on her head. You can play around with the color till you get the color that you like. Mary Ann has brown hair. And there you go.